Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to officially download GIMP editor for your PC. So without wasting much of your time, let's get into the video. So what you wanna do is go to the official GIMP website, which I will leave a link in the description down below this video. So you head over to the website, and in the description I'm gonna leave a link there. So let me just refresh this page, and now you can see this is the official download GIMP button, which the website is gimp.org. And if you click on here, this is the latest version, but if you want more other versions, you can scroll within the website to find that. So once you click on this, it's gonna load up to GIMP downloads. Once you are in GIMP downloads, you'll see the direct download button and download from BitTorrent. So I'll leave a direct download link also in the description if you wanna go there, and I'll leave the link for GIMP website. As you can see, GIMP is also available on Microsoft Windows, all Microsoft Windows OS, GNU, and Linux. So it's a very professional tool, especially for YouTubers that want to edit thumbnails, and it is much faster and easier to use. So that's how you download GIMP. Thanks for watching, and see you in another video.